To create account, please click on Don't have an account? Create one now on login page. For registration, you will be asked for your email address. Now you can close this window. You will receive following email to your inbox. Click on Activate Account button in message. Now create password. Confirmation that your account is ready. Let's log into your new account. Fill your email address and password. Welcome to your workspace.